Welcome to Mangosteen extract production at its finest.
Check the stem on these.
Keep coming back slowly now. Watch your left side. Okay, hold it right there. Clear.
It starts with the queen of fruits.
I'm Maya Chen. Let me show you our complete process. The mangosteens look excellent this shipment. Make sure the washer settings are correct for the volume.
Keep coming straight. Easy now, slow it down. All right, hold it right there. Perfect.
These mangosteens look good, very fresh.
Yeah, the quality is high today.
Every fruit meets strict quality standards before processing.
Check the stem on these.
Yeah, making sure they're green enough for premium.
This dark spot indicates internal fermentation. The cracked rind exposes the flesh, making a critical physical defect.
We track every batch from specific farms.
Fruit soak 10 minutes, removing debris.
Look at the counter, already past 500. We'll hit the target easily at this rate.
The purple rinds become our premium extract.
Food-grade ethanol extracts valuable compounds.
The color gradient shows the concentration. It's darkest here at the bottom where the extraction is most active. We monitor this closely. Cloths are centered.
Edges sealed.
Yes, moving to the next plate now.
Filtration removes solids, leaving clear extract.
Vacuum evaporation concentrates extract to syrup consistency.
Let's even out this layer before we press.
Right, making sure the mesh is covered evenly.
Gentle pressing extracts pure white juice. Two distinct products, purple rind extract and clear white juice.
Analysis confirms compound content meets specifications.
Lot codes ensure complete traceability. Automated filling ensures consistent volumes. Moisture analysis confirms proper concentration.
Parameters confirm specification targets. Excellent. Moving to packaging.
We adjusted the filler timing this morning, Supervisor. Good. The levels look much better.
Each case carefully packed for safe delivery.